So guys, I am going to show you a method. It's a paid method by which you can easily generate every day $5 to $10 in your Adsterra account just without any effort. But you have to do at least every day 10 minutes work for this. So first we go to Facebook and see how much views this movie clip every day they gain just sharing little movie clip in the Facebook. So same method we will do, but we will promote our Adsterra link in here. And every professional promoter use this method to earning from Adsterra. And the method not everyone will show you, because sometimes it's due to paid method, it's not available in free. So see, everyone asking for the movie name, so that's why we will use this movie link very easily to put the direct link. So first we have to get this type of clip from the website. I have very clean website for this type of movie. You just go to Google and search for MLW PD and go to here, and you can find so many movies which can be downloadable from here, and you choose any of the uh, recent movies as you wish. So I just click on latest houseful. This movie is very recently released, so let's work on this. You have to click on so many ad click, because this is also a uh, ad network ad site, so they also need so many click. But don't worry, they provide movie file finally. So see, so many link you have to click for this. After all, maybe 20 to 13 click all around you have to click. So see, the movie link is now finally here. There also need a login by your Gmail. Don't worry, use a random Gmail which don't have any important file. Just log in here, and after download you can disconnect this from your Gmail. It's very simple. So see what I'm doing. This is the file. So this is the movie file, and I resume downloading. I click on there. Then they will ask me to log in with Gmail. Because they actually share with Google, right? That's why they ask for uh, Gmail login, and so that they can use your storage to share this movie. So see, then continue, and after that you have to log in and give them access. Don't worry, use a random Gmail, and after download the movie you disconnect this app from your Gmail. So let's click on the link again. I hope the movie already downloading. Okay, let's see. Yeah, see, my movie is now already downloading in the background. Now we have to do a little thing that we can do in advance to fast our work. So what I'm going to do, I took a notepad and I need to collect the main movie link. I mean the original movie link which I will share with my viewer. Okay, this is the main movie link which I have downloaded from that site, and I need my Adsterra direct link. So for that you go to your Adsterra account and collect a direct link. You can collect 2 or 3, whatever you link you want. Just collect Adsterra direct link from your Adsterra account. And if you don't find it from direct link, I can show you. Like, first go to your Adsterra account, then here this in this location you can get the direct link. So I collect one direct link from here, and I paste it in here. So what I'm going to do, I just make a little work like to short this URL. I just use a URL shortener. So you have to now write a nice title, like to see full movie, click here. Then you just short the URL from here and use any URL shortener to short this URL. After that, it's very easy will to promote your link, because direct link may be Facebook sometimes block, but URL shortener URL Facebook I mean 50/50 not block, so you can change it anytime if it's shown block. But whatever I did not block any, I mean usually not block. Okay, so see, this is the movie link 2 and this is the main link of the movie, but I will use the my Adsterra link in the first form, because if he click on the first link I will get impression. So here is my Adsterra direct link. I just make a URL shortener again and copy the link and paste it here. So my now post content is ready. Now I have to do a little work, which is download the movie and cut it in the little short clip to post it in Facebook. And this is the place, this is the very easy way to get Adsterra traffic in your account, and it actually have worked 100% properly. So let's see it's downloaded or not. So guys, as you can see, the movie already downloaded, and I will keep the movie in the CapCut. If you don't have CapCut, just download it from the Google. Then you just need to make the video in 4-minute to 5-minute clip and export it like 30 video you need, which length will be 4 to 5 minutes. See, my first movie is clip is 4 minutes 31 seconds. I just cut and export it like this. You have to for 30 days. This is a 30 days plan, so you can cut this movie in 30 pieces with 4 or 5 minute length. After that you come to Facebook and post one movie clip from the exported video. Like this is my one movie clip here. This is the one, and I just keep my promotion link here. This is the game changing, guys. If 30 videos, one videos goes viral, okay, that means you can earn almost 100 plus. But random views, like each video 10,000, 5,000 to 20,000 views, it's enough to get you $5 to $10 every day in your Adsterra account. So this is the actually game changing, and this is the paid method. Everybody will not share you with this method. Because you know what, this is a paid, so you cannot find this information freely in open platform. So see what I have done. I just published a video with my Adsterra link, and see, every day if you one video publish in your Facebook page, 30 videos, and every day from 10,000 to 5,000 to even 100 views, from 100 views you can get easily 10 to 20 click. So calculate it and work on it and work hard. I hope you also can earn passive income from Adsterra network.